Chairman Ekoman Katah is seated. My brother Penny Akwaba. Na yen share common ase. Brother Penny Mohamu Akwaba.
Mbacho mejo sododo.
Brother Mabacho bi aboko.
Nyankopon ye di ni ye won kwa wan hodin de.
Nice one, nice. There are there say ono an kura mu.
Ono an ye bibia.
Mo me comment be at the first time we had a conversation here me kan. Na also me can say asa to aso.
Okay.
It's always an honor to have you seated here see in common.
Oh, I'm so privileged to sit before you.
Ura, before entering into the radio world, no, there are some people that we have to look up to.
Oh.
It's when you have the chance to, sitting down with them now. Ana ye ni je nkwa.
Nyankopon shaw pa na. Yeso so yesi so yeso ye hwe obi. Inti se kobasa bi so so hwe dia that means say ye mane enchia
cra
inti manage. I am super proud of you too because
Thank you,
are
boss.
doing so well.
Thank you, my boss.
Nyankopon shaw pa.
Thank you, my boss. There is a moment I'm on a boy because as a radio be our one day.
No crepa. No crap.
We never knew you'd found ourselves here.
Yes.
To imagine you baby. How can you do obedient you know? Okay, was our journey home. Yes,
recently I was having a conversation. I mean obedient come on. And Oka say me call radio school. So I never had the privilege to make radio school.
Yeah.
But that notwithstanding, I believe say radio so Nyankopon ededum.
True.
You will be on man naturally. Nyankopon born as a radio personality. Obi wonu so a me hone say wakosua na wahu no.
Yeah.
Ni nyina ye.
Yeah.
But say we dey ye adwuma no na wahwe say de we dey ye bia no e bo anipa a omuti. That's the ultimate.
True.
And you are doing well. Nyankopon.
Thank you, my boss. Chairman Ekoman Katah.
Mira.
Mamza mo ha bi.
Major so pa.
Ma me na so ha. O ha ma mo ha na say my mistake pa. Boss, last year.
Yes.
Was it around this time?
Yeah, it was around same time.
Yes. And me am fa phone na me friend say ja. Me hu so be di djuma bi. Na said the nyina ya pese change the narrative about Kumasi no. Yes, anyom to for dodo na free hands so eba concert kro mo ne ha. Omunya akobọ ne nkran. Yes, omo gi omani pa ni free Kumasi, omo ni dressing free Kumasi. And so you festivities ne holidays are. Yes, ye no wo baby. Nkran ne be bobodin. But now, mom penny for no take charge in changing that narrative. Yes. During festivities, be cra, there be somewhere. Na nipa yesu yetimi boy ano na ani je ba. Ni nyina aka ho na lead to say me no be din komo na me can the Enclave day. Until last year you had an event, a floor event center.
Yes, please.
I was there. You can hear no. I think that there are other events that Mr. Katah organize. You've been an MC, a comedian. Omo ye flyer be my obey. I'm try to see a comedian.
Oh, and no
there be me share flyer and I'm see there be.
Oh, and your problem.
Title on the door so but.
And your problem.
Omo let me tell you I don't care have.
One thing I love about myself is obi enim dia a man into Opemsuo.
Yeah.
People love me for the comedy. Yeah. People love me for MC, Opemsuo because of radio, Opemsuo for the MC penny pa.
Was skate do crowd until that but was skating kwane ade will follow.
Yes. And sana me sha say na me nchia asantemawura.
Irajo so.
Na me mu ase. E ma yura. Is as ono no hene ba akopa Nyankopon ama no hene so asene ahene bebre so. Na mete hanoma na say yura. Nanam ni pona ja so ma ba betena ase wa hai na menche adwuma ha mpanyimfo enye obia na oye adwuma pa ana oye bibia beboa ama enigye ene youth na ka aboma ya na omo support say it is a nemete hanoma. I would never disregard the authority here at Opemsuo radio inti medam mpanyimfo nyina so ase pa
obia joso
black medal wa so ase ene odo ene ahofama de bia odi hia me kwan yana mebusa mo say who am I to deserve all these but me feel say Nyankopon anama na basa hey me go for our house
is the chairman so beje fancy
fuzi hey me ni fuzi nya ne o
me programs manager
Radi Nyankopon fa we on Nyankopon hira no na maka fuzi ne meka alawan fuzi ne be hu ni pa ha because along the line, Libya make us say, so be so crew about Kokrama one, Wabow, because if you are not your winning or the mound. Yes, radio, I say, you could pay baby, and their relationship with us made us feel at home. And none I may catch champagne for the brazier, said, name it as your radio, Namit radio, so I'll give regards to certain people that were around us and are still around us. Omona may feel very comfortable like me feel Donia Kumapum, a said the no. Mesha see free the Enclave. Yawahano mana, Yankopon Adom, Yashati regional minister named Penyufuaka, it me called discover said there be Truba. I want to say that let's make use of it. And I'll give credit to the tourism ministry. Almost why I dear. And it's a ne. Nyankopon ya adoma say obi wo Antoa Kenya say Truba Buo Chrome F line obi kra be fita for obi from nipa be brain neighbor and am I a reason to have good fun again Kumasi any no ye mu bi won ma ye nyini pi but we saw a bit of it say culture center be ma ye nije ni bi children's park be ma ye nije ni bi edidimu ama Ratri park so
aba de kra bai
what I say say ne Nyankopon ya adoma ma asantema temu mpanyimfo etime de bibi say aba I feel say not to compete with anybody but just ourselves no am I nigie kwan so kra so me I feel say this Easter na there e be dancing de
na there were this Kenyan say Truba Enclave ni say the activities that are found there no the whole Ghana unya one place ubenya activity yes zipline and the longest that we have here
and also name my favorite
as a man fools no
oh Debbie
so me krama ko say this one auntie
nese me krade me say for people
elephant 8 na bit matter
oh
elephant 8 eboma
oh and say me kokra me mom fa belt no kran so
Debbie
me ntimi me nsa ba ko pese na me sign basa
wanna go and get that it's a place that have all these activities packed at one place. And said your Maya Hono, there is even an event center. You can even know the Fanessa Oba picnic.
Wow. And I feel it's even less the price you are taking because
activity the boy didn't I think upsailing and know you pay 200 feet, 200 cities. 100, 150, 100
so it's we to 100 city now. Yeah. To me activities ni be
activities bear 6 no. We entitled to 1.
Oh okay.
It's entry fee plus 1 activity. Okay. But activity on its own, bear 100 cities and 150 cities.
That's fine.
So it's Ubana Bazoy extra. You just add your extra.
Mr. Black, if we are saying Ankasano, many man penny be Emrebi or so coach bet na ye no na. Winning no say. I'm so na penny mona who disagree say jai me yam shimi and manager. I was so one ma upulu adrenaline like a crack.
Yes.
Emma it me was so kakra because and you must say intense. Anna, many sure say on a regular you'll be going there every single week and a month. It is about coupé na ba kwa for moi. Ne kwa so ano. For me, I'm coming.
Thank you, my
Nyame adoma. Friday you see me.
Thank you, my boss.
Saturday imagine.
Thank you, my
boss. Nyame adoma. Sunday message.
Thank you.
Na Monday no kwa meba no pa.
Yes.
Na ma say free hono because Nyame adoma Easter with Katah so so
beba so. Monday no.
Yes. But me say mo send nyina e boa. I'm a Kumasi ni jena wie pay.
Yeah.
So I'm adding my voice to this big and then
general manager Swabi room.
Me boss
Melky room. General manager Swabi room.
I love one thing about myself. Some of these great men we see today, I loved and honored them even when they have not gotten to this pedestal. My first time I'm share Fuzi me catcher. I was YFM. No name marketing. Me call a Muana, me Sakushia, me boss Melky. And no so capital. And na me tiyo ma, na me tiyo wisdom. But we make me free from Gaga. And ne say Ushia omna okra wa nwo no mo frewa. Black no cranim ni. Say Bible ka say ahobrase de nipa be drecha. I am a real epitome to that statement. Say no credit, and in fact, I love him so much.
Me reassure no na see akra he's preparing. He's preparing no, but Katah bani o say boss jai no be her answer.
Major.
You sure never in
Quantana?
He has to come in and see our hands.
Now, why I say over Truba? No, I'll be champagne for
I tell you.
They be a catch a man for the black. Only many picture anime tribute because yes, Yana. And yes, Yana. Me, what I was on let me carry 2 times, so I'm a color.
Mr. Katah will queer.
But you have to crack. I want to say color neighbor.
A bapa giddy.
And I was also, and it's any money in a crack and so what.
So aside the motivation, I my boys na. A month for wedding days. And got me cool be at the ananka. Oh, so I money me no chinchiana.
Yes.
Don't confess. Utimi cool be at the. And I can't be who the role I will play with a month for our mupa.
Very true.
Recently,
Shawarma Ken Eware.
Oh yeah.
And he's a friend to my family and he mene merena koina. Ya koina me say bro, why are dear pa? Why are dear mom say we need that? Because in the youth of today, Yana, yeah, say you bit to me, I hear big word and just to impress people.
Yeah.
But why in very modest?
Simple.
And 1 year warrior.
Simple.
No say share, bro. Me ba audience. So I think hearing from you also means a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, black nyame adom na unya de na ni tirimu eda ho na odwene ho na obu dowa na wo want ase ma wa. I feel say na niema bi a wo free aware mu no hu no wane ho. It's a good step and bad.
Definitely we are following.
Oh yeah, and bad.
We are following.
And bad. Moment chia see you so much. The chia adwuma mpanyin for but milk yaba fuzi yaba de na o say
one hana te hana
Mr. Wa me boss do yin so free me so
o ti ya lo so agbo apia
it's good you are bringing such a thing up and nyame ya adoma Mr. from Easter Friday. What time is it starting?
The place opens at 9.
And upon 9 the FN say baby say o ba betimi no abusuafo nyina.
Thank you.
Say nkola wo fie nti eja no fie
Debbie
enye de ni bia
a vast space na make ye tade music akra ka ho
say be a party kakra be koso.
Yes, we are even providing stands for people to come sell food. But the say can say o de opa member to aduane oni abusua na ba anopa no nsori no bibi kakra a adventure place ade a ye ntimi mfoa ye mfoa so wo ho e ya akọ ho.
Okay,
no na colleges ye koma kakra ni nyina ka wo entry fee ni hu fawra mu betena se mu wi a mo ntena ho kakra no wadidi wati enwum kakra adventure no pekura wo ye ba akọ no akodidi wi ara ba ye ba akọ you see amanfo be hunu bia no. Thank you my boss.
That's very good.
Yinti no by 5 ewi sumu ba kakra no 6 na yapon so the be obia.
It's a very good thing. The history behind the Enclave alone.
Yeah.
I had a privilege of listening to it from Miami Babako, AJ Mensa or YFM.
Yeah.
And also I had short videos. And non-quite alone is almost BBR. It's even worth paying 100 cedi for that history alone.
I told you.
Nyame adoma yina age them.
Nice.
Nyame adoma yako Friday, yako Saturday, yako Sunday, na ne Monday no na yes ejinem ewo Enclave no na nwumre and I say you know 2 p.m.
Yan quite kakra.
Okay.
Emfa Easter day ama me answer. Last year day e dey home komo.
Yes.
Personally me ba hobby.
Yeah.
The whole idea about Mr. Katah and friends Flow Event Center no. Because e dey home komo emra wo envision na wo ye bibia. It actually came on. Nipa buy people that even came to sell.
Yes.
Omo betoye. Omo de idea san omo buy because of the entertainment. No. Putting them together, Mr. Katah, how would you say the first Mr. Katah and Friends at Flow Event Center was saying Emma?
For me, I would say if you're free BB say inshira nyesa wo sika nkwa na so wo nkwa nkwa se wutimi ye bibi ma nipa dom ebetwa ho hia ebabi ema anigye a no mo expect no munya and nso nkwa akra inshira kese. And I feel say if I should rate myself from 1 to 10 me dem ho beto be 9 because everything I expected Nyankopon eye ma ne broso.
True.
1 na me dwene awia ho eno kra ntina ma this year me the time na kwakwo 2 p.m. because so we should program at 11 na open program daytime party na nipa bi gina awia so what will really sustain them One, me provide nnuane nsa nsuo ni nyina abeto de ni nyina sa enyom live band ni nyina wo ho but ni nyina nkamfo no me hu say no it was odo ana Kumase any Asante man pese omo kire me nti nipa bai e ma ne ye February ntia so I remember say e bob 5:36 me boss ba ko ba was Katah na drone e twa de no way so boss man make provision for drones no actually cars na pack from rich condos to my co state ho
is that the rich condos will be also be anywhere
cause say because of this program I had to go to Larry co plead this semester no minim say nipa pemasem na se bibia kra ni na nipa no be pack ho no ma o ma ne security for no accommodate omo because so obi be wie program no be ba be wie na ne car obi ayi bibi wo ho a say me ni monyama enam dwumadi ne so deba so for me it was 100% and na Nyankopon adom ekoyie enye sika fam se ka sika dia me ka kire guy Hector the other time say mabu omo on the event we MC stand and me organize you because na me pese meye na afi bedru time na sa bambu aba but oya was no papa me event me do to so ampanyin for kra ba me ade nti de me pese me na me man idea na so onye Easter program na on fan she Easter on because na Easter no na akoye kwawu na ye ko aha ye ko
le kra na adwene kwan ne ho
what ma say nti na ye pibibi wo middle of the city ebe habo obi a on person obekoko akiri ene eniama bebre so me demand no me kwada me say party in the park and I'm say there me man me fin so me nye event bebre akoye comedy na until there ono organize it into yeah first day second day and I'm say no ene ma me family dey me share Easter Monday because Easter Monday me nyina me share dem any big event be share Easter Monday so it's just one day out of the Easter festivity. It was very successful too. Na me so me Easter Monday, but me share the way a nipa nisi buy from anopa 11 to enumrebe 10. Ye pon tem no mpokra no na ebra dwen ntia so I felt like no in this kind of marry na e odo a me pese Kumase ne Asante ma yesa kabom bio their yonko funny relationship links bisa brain nipa dia why don't I do it again so this year Nyankopon adom ne aboafo a omo so ye mu kakra ma na say baso nyame adoma Easter Monday the only changes are ebam this time around say it wouldn't be starting around 11 a.m.
Okay.
This time you shall say 2 p.m.
Okay.
Intina make just empacho anopa na de na yenko truba. Yenko chele nyame adom abeba na me akra me twi
9 watch out 12 we don't have activities why ni nyina bia
what the up cry free truba 2 ni na Kumase ya mpacho what ma say inti unye late and nyame adom this year no ye shall say 2 p.m. na ye be say pon be anopa be 5 or 7 sebe ya Enijie no will be a long-lasting memory thing for everybody.
But that will be a dream.
Exactly.
I saw something last year, and I would want to ask about it. Is it happening this year?
Okay.
Relationship matters, but ebi wo ha obi ani said the agro a woni ni di. Enti ebi obi ani penny bi ni agro bi oni ni di. Mr. Katah obi ani mo no say who follow Mr. Katah pay ya. There is a crop of pennyphobia oni omu di agro. Having this party, just as he said, the mindset was set. Kumase mrantie mabawa Easter Monday yembe hia ho ne yenye but then o party asi some penifo na ye hu omo say they are in your life they are pillars and they are pillars in your life no omo nyina baby ne yen young boy say young girls be di agro enti at the point is like u ba ho na hu omo you are like and you say mabo na chairman Mr. we are bad na member. Is it happening this year? Mpelifo ameke bi ne nyame akwa.
Nyame chiame.
Ego prophet was there. At the point me boss in number B. On the yere friend me last hour. Say they could have just called and motivate nyame show. So for Labi would have just called Katah ne jiwe so so. But they were there. And no there identity you having an event channeled around the youth but you still get these people coming to make it nice.
I would say it's a blessing of God. But also so nanchen I always use my own life Opemsuo to yena embebuna ye peja efo hwe black sika efe sika de but sika nya ade nyina
sure
me hwe yewura etu kwan na oba a drum I free crime po ebe kan ho ma your coffee free airport eba ya hey Black, every point in life I learn a lot. Me too be tune ba for anya oba na wo tune for me na okasa ache
ojefa
no yes because e bia na me ma me hu se me cause a situation me tune for bi but ne ba na wo hu tune for san from so no me fa bi bo me ho ban hwe nyankopon adom ene ebuo ahombrase ne som inti empanyimfo ebeba this year no you will be shocked. Mention see free baby. The CEO for KS Transport, Bass is a call and crying. Takra de Tamale wa Abiak Pharmacy, Mr. Mensah. And these are people that are supportive enough media medium. So me can come in this year because of Sikasem me here this year. I'll give credit to these people I'm mentioning.
Okay.
Much love to Labi Fonds Okumasi Edu Melcom Ositonoma. Nyankopon Sha Perfect Prince and a sports center. Or any be free dakwa. Empenyumfo bebre Labi Fonds, KS Transport, Nyaminsha, Mr. Mensah, Biak Pharmacy, any afofra kabebre. Leo Restaurant, Mr. P Wines, Shawarma King. Any omano moton yoma last year buy any unique fails and a year dianeno or TUC Abu de Honoma. And this year, a year Jumedia so be an internet, they are all not exempting themselves. The Abebro Adrian and on TRC so say Kumase esika form penny for Yankopon Adom more no so this year or Mamma Yan and TSA or Munina so beba inti Ohe Papa Kofi Job ne penny for and Bobo Dinia. It's not just socialization, a moment to create good relationship with Empenyufua na on a regular home. Na Nyankopon adoyenti.
Because of an event being organized by Mr. Katah.
Exactly.
Black
make cashing Nyankopon dear Mwanyam with all humility say there are so many people here in Ghana, Kumasi. I have become a household MC for them. Even for their families. Inti say omo ye event bia na me free na me ngi booking bia dia oye dey am na ma be MC and they are all coming for the sake of love what tell them inti mesre we dey nim panyin ni akola and the entire air cut across crowns the live band no ya fa wono ma onim yo ye na obeyo inti mesre live band music be sha ase ewia 2 na the kopembe nwumrebe 8 live band and san ye pon a DJs no so etimi at time no ama enije na wie pay
just as you said enije na ode mai
yes.
But then there will be vendors beton ade saa 2 no ye beba 2 as you said ka obunya ka event nge be pon na no pa na mo and that's the plan ye be pon na no pa
no de enyemi nyaya
ye be pon na no pa
then be mo pon na no pa
thank you vendors he would be with us throughout the night na say the obetimi ni ebe go through anopa na ebi be end at specific time.
The only thing I may very sure say betima ending time games never ban.
Okay.
On say snooker, table tennis, spa,
PlayStation.
Yeah, ne war last year na dame ludi or warren nessa ane money na. Party no kickstart here. Anna mostly I get them all off.
Why you could get your off? Last year say table tennis for no much space.
G space.
Yeah, banyo muni penny pebia bugi no mu dremfifi wa.
Point you need because ni here space need there. And I love it because in terms na here ban we need something to hold us down because yes any habeba brebeba but we say only Eagle Prophet TT or son nipa be 14 like ocha na we aba no atwa no saa onimbo into this year o share Katah this year there suffer richie and there were so many men of God on by bia na onimo yes Prophet Igwe suffer richie impanyfo ebre Bishop Prophet Daniel Dr. Oded yes Dr. Oded impanyfo ebre into this year they are all coming any obi bia mesre. So last year, I'm for reason because and I yante. This year, and until I back radio station kese was antimantem say be bon ho de ro say e be ya obete na this year so kwada I double da because ye sha say Friday e o truba utu 100 Ghana cedi ade e chon ba obese etu 100 no ti fa she otiri na ye nyina ye nko chile pacho games bebre wo what say the Easter with Katah na wo na ye sha say Friday e o truba Enclave nyame adoma Saturday ye ginem be pacho Sunday ye be ginem Monday yes ginem ono ma na nwumre wo de opekra pon 5 opon abra Easter with Katah oba ubenya aduane adi aduane no Leo restaurant e ma ye mo Phil restaurant unique Phils e wo TUC ono so e ma ye enkwan aduane no na enwumre no wasada ne nsa kakra osua ne mekoni ade nyina ejinechinem na kelewule kakra na mo na dwo no na bibia atumi ay
cocktail for ne so tutu
ya cocktail ginem na afi so shawarma ken e mawo arede kakra make I say lady bia no mo pie na say lady no oni shawarma da also please catch wait and say please get me shawarma I want more ice cubes I na me say hey na shawarma ne blog there
na otin so we can the the ice cube can
oni ma the crop it me sra the open no na waje because MC Obema camp so jani ba ko enter na covid aba a je say social distancing e bia na obi atene de mira abranti ete jollof no ate plain rice no ate salad hand sanitizer go no amia bia gu so say oni ma the crop me sra o parking kan na enije no
o me jambo so
enije na ni ai ni akin kan ya dusua
e dey say dey wo to ho hinti obi akran kan je say oni anka obi do want to tia
sanitizer go jollof so mini so be kan fro so be dia
Katah, this bringing people together under one umbrella to have this much fun. Obi beka say nya wo ho na tell na wo ye. Personally, you say having such an event, the place ni benya, the organization benya, e be need the Enclave ye see entry fee. With Katah events, it's saying odone murusu nti wo ye cheyen anase we die utua kakra at least na ye the abo organization eyi ase ankesi o fayi faka canopies ne fayi nkonya Katah events Katah with friends this year the Opemsuo Flow Event Center. How was it like?
Me bacho last year na free. This year Nyankopon ya adoma is free. No gate fee.
Okay.
Na the entire yes and say I feel we will get to a point you be drew the okay enya han ye pese ye drew.
Okay.
Ye pese ye drew a point where we will need a bigger space.
Okay.
Na ye to be iron kese. Fortunate enough, Oko Flow Event Center was a natural and as a already made stage or that.
Okay.
But where this year, Black the entire Obeba Honoma around was so by and it's the last year on said the my point was light.
Yeah.
Now it's soon neighbor.
And the ideology was Yembeji and Inkobana Kumasa for the yenye
it's this time around no we are providing light EA praise. We are providing better sound light.
Okay.
Better more than even last
year there no.
We are providing screens. Into this year no is a whole lot of experience.
Okay.
You have having. Adieba kwa me pewo event wanna say. Black. Se me juicy kakra se mbabe yo MC amawa. I was say me adwina me dey ba event and say advert mame. But what I say?
Yeah.
It is a wedding. Say engagement, say obi program. Na say me koye MTN4 program. Me na me MTN4 program so
okay.
original.
Okay.
Na say me ko KGT. And me so microphone mo bia what I tell myself is me advert.
And now
so say me ye me ye.
Yeah.
Ne dane de ubo. E de ma medjuma. This year Easter with Katah is getting better off than last year. It's getting bigger. And next year we'll supersede all the two urban. Into mesre. So wow, a very good experience when it comes to daytime party. A daytime, and this time is traveling all the way through to a morning. Into Pacho. Sees Easter Monday. Yako Enclave, Efiada, Memeda, Kwesiada, Monday, Yasako Enclave, no Neria, and an numere, Yeshim El Flow Event Center or Rich Condos in Chawanama. We always as a Rich Condos, our Hefa, our Hojun Shire, so hey, Flow Event Center, and then Omon a bang. Into do Rich Condos, our album say yes, Yaba na Yaba.
Mr. Katah, last year my experience, this year what my experience no. Obi Oba Hubia would always want more.
Yeah.
Under the Katah umbrella,
yes.
Would we be having such events in the year? And I say, for the years ahead of us now, in Tuni Agent say Katah with friends will come only in Easter. And I say, because yes, my Easter and
there are certain questions if the presenter asks her, I say there be Black. That's a very good one. This year,
okay.
This year, I am envisaging we will have another bigger event than Easter with Katah.
Okay.
So that in a year, one thing I am a event, and as I'm a share event, yes, imagine a home date.
Okay.
I am always in a lookout for a data. One, a very favorable to Bia or person baby Bia.
Yeah.
There are so many people coming all the way from USA. And I know I'm the message you share me. They say, Mami, shall lady be or say booking for tables or crampa. Men sending a bill no nanko because or more about health program be.
Yeah. And I think I listened to you, so I heard that one yesterday on radio.
So there are so many people coming all the way from South Africa, Jamaica, London, US, Germany. Last year, but this year, more.
Yeah.
I should think about all these people.
Yeah.
Say, it's me a London party in the park. Then you could what can we also do here? Be money panel.
So
rejuvenated and also Opemsuo be free. A very big experience. So this year, we are hoping see a bit my one more event. And not there, it drew on my. Yen to me, baby for be I just a baby or something.
Okay.
Because we will be looking at the entire Kumasi Asante mine na yeshe. And yet a cookie to a big one. A ma'am, penny phone collide, ubia. So and also be rolling out. But you go so ye pay good data.
Mr. Katah, and Flow Event Center, we event a basoni bedi home como. But menya o hey me puti series of questions be together. Yes. Menju susuye. And because adibu oha oh yeah obi ye nyina ye is putting Kumasi on the map there. But I just want to get you say bia if you feel yenye bi nka ho ana say yenko. When it comes to events being organized here in the city, it comes to people that cover these events.
That's right.
Bloggers, when it comes to people that render services at these events, from ushers to food vendors to MCs to DJs. When it comes to Wayne Nana, as a ringleader, as a leader of new generation, and you involving yourself in all this, no? Do you think, sir, Kumasi, no mamni bobo mudi, bloggers, media, bibiano, are we doing enough to put the city out there in terms of other activities? A man for nim say ye good at, and I say you feel but then you have one or two on name for be share say ye kahon so it would help put our name there because enye ahote and I was sorry also woko boka we bibi ntia. Do you think we are all doing well collectively? And I say obi na de me dem ye ma de am fru bi ma nembe boa me intino. What would you say in regards to that?
Medical da Opemsuo aboa form boa dwumade ni nyina ase. Black asama ogusai very intelligent as well. One say from January to December, I can say almost every month be Nyankopon adom bi koso e wo Kumasi. Nyankopon adom I will applaud bloggers no because somebody like Guy Hector just online focus. So many other people I can't mention all of them, they are doing so well. The entire makers and say so US impo now person current ongoing issues and events Ghana Asante one just say be our only data what I say the equals to be from a year to event to seminar to graduation be equals to be is on the internet now. Kumasi for now I feel say Nyankopon adom ye bibia is flying. Bibia. In the aspect of politics, the attention is currently in
yes, it's currently here.
In the aspect of culture, it's here.
Yeah.
In the aspect of religion, it's here.
Yeah.
Talk about what? Bibia. Music.
Bibia in the trap house for
Bibia Mira. Inti Kumasi for me. I was saying it on radio. Say the entire me, for instance, say me contract to Accra. I'm talking about radio.
Yeah.
Mem pentem say, hey, Accra, hey, ubi a so Accra. Me on. Enyo mama se me servo me radio career ni na Kumasi. Because Kumasi Asante Man has really held me up.
Yeah.
Boss, baby, if we man ne kwan wa. Me kai say 2016 ye shia wo Accra.
Yeah.
Also kai.
Me kai?
Yes. And me catch you say, oh na home me say me druba, me catch you say there be afeni e be sha say.
Okay.
And I'll always say afeni e be sha say because humility is everything.
Yeah.
Bible oduma ho brase for. No see a hand time for. Ye nrui. We are there, but we can go a step further. Inti ye nyina ye ya de. PUBG ye bi.
Yeah. Don't call me.
Clemsy
yeah.
Muniaga Hector
yeah.
So what you really called for?
I think
Abadope.
Sunday evening he say I think Ezekiel captured by Guy Hector and I think so also Mubako so have Sunday Kromusu will be Bibi or Milan. I think Sunday if it starts Sunday in the evening the program
so
be
every single time. So ope be at Tanamo when yaje. Ama ho ato. Santemante mo wonim say upie koba na jutu kura wo ho ma asema. I am telling you say Santemante
yeah.
And we are all doing well. But say ye teda enkosi hwe.
True.
Just ye tokoso. Inti na make say ye dru ho but mom ye mpre nko ye nim mo. Sebe ya everything we do will attract where dwabo bi ba fikesi mu a. Hwe etitiro ne aninti na free abrochire ene nkrofo for so ba. And that is where we should all envisage. Say Nyankopon de bedru. Say Easter with Katah and now say Easter party at the Enclave we a bit to me drew a point say a drew on ma bruni be a pevesa so baby. That is where we should all target. And nye de biana was a young kwan ko gina I4 tower ho traffic. Yes we dey.
Yeah.
So we should
that being said, man we on Facebook live now they say o plan is about Easter with Katah on Monday. Start to book your flight.
Yes.
Because it is said akwesi there ba so na say akwesi there ba nti Sunday na opa per flight. Aso ye be hye.
Papa Sconti if you US ababi. Osemempe apartment emma no. Eno krampo chese me de be 3 days.
Na epebi.
Mahwehwa me nyanyan.
There was one senior DJ bi a buy.
ABK. Na me adoma wo ginam salanga.
He even turntable the crown wa kujia no ogina ni o ba.
No ade no eche.
No ba no so na.
Na yis ne to aba ko se nchen. ABK die bacho. Ono we free nko yi pa abayi.
E bia de Zakata you don't
know brother Sami
experience no. Ozega yeah party e beji ani. Amam for share shorts ni say be say man so ye pia bonti nim dressing
no ya.
Enye first na said slipper be a lobby there be. Na brother Sami dey obesi be say at a point na say dey obi jai.
Yes.
Brother Sami performance.
Yes.
Brother Sami performance kwa. And he did what? Oche yo.
Oh yeah, did too much.
Oche
pa. And one more superstar on Bible bless here.
Nice one.
Yes.
So that I wrap up. What is that one thing you'd also want to say to Obibia Utie, Obibia, ye can me can de me hu last year. This year there will be one timiamba.
Sure.
Afi na what wasem. Aside ye can extra the BNB na person kaka ho a beka che ni pakone say Easter crowd is uzu wumpia. O de adwada na wia 2 no. O de fa ho behwe we. Unremu mi anjuska entu pa uremu na we ompa
na okofie
we pie kofie obi anya ohwe de asem na obeka de aka ho na wo a adofo aboafo anuanum bi wo ho na nche bi a na wo de ato aso ama me.
I always say and I would love to end it this way. Say the sky is too big to contain every star. Say and so my ba ko pene bo wiem a e bi anka bi e bono nka ye wo hanki e be chance an ye. But wiem no so Sebeya and Soroma bebre betimi obia wo kwan a obefa so excel into mesre say Kumasi event organizers obiamwa na Kumase Asanteman when it comes to events, party, enije, and no a boate pressure so na emfa odoni enije and kabumu and some review. First, need me kind of volunteer proper communal labor, right?
Communal labor.
Yes. And then no intense. But she say ya, it me do dofu from me sabre. It me crab one me say, oh, where you Kumase boy, wait, I no we na wa. Oh, nti e boy a unite a sacred links. Nti obiamwa na dwumadi bi say eba yintimi nkura na emeka. The second thing I would say say Nyankopon hya Opemsuo radio.
Amen.
Said the bia mo bie mo apom e de mame. Aboafo a omoboa ema Easter with Katah ene Kumase party at the Enclave so etimi baso nyina no. Me gina na madasi. I came not only for Easter with Katah. Yeah, but na me can say emenije say mo pick it from Friday.
Yeah.
Na ba bisi Monday.
Yeah.
Eboa. It won't change anything. Inti mesre say in your own film. And I mean why you saw by Easter with Katah on cop at here. Oh mama to me. Inti yen na yenko chelo Enclave on na afie enwumre no. Inti me bebonde mo ha no. Mesre enije eye. You can say all work and no play makes you a door boy. And no cray juma stress e kunipa. Inti to the bia na de bia yesere. Nyankopon ya adoma. Ne Sunday you be kind of comedy show. Okay. Miami nua bema atopa. Yeah. Ne yere akanchi. Eyare hosem. And nyame ya adoma Easter Sunday no ana ye party ye comedy show no e de dedicate am na wife. Yeah. Inti me se obi a wo team bi as a Longford Event Center and so kwada so de na kwada so. Inti mum ye nyina ye nhie mo ho na ye mfa odo ene nkabo mu enye ema na nye fe. Na efe wa ha ebe so Kristo so ani ama bibia ye bia ye krabehwe me pese Kumase bibia ye bia no ye krabehwe eba sa it attracts hwe say Nyankopon ya adoma Asante Regional Minister ye painti overhead
as quite interchange here
we sa afoforo so mo launch so local festival
yeah men shout out
ebe boa ama enkabum ebe boa ma innovative ideas no ados na aboa ma mpuntu no ayekese ti ye nyina ye boa in every way we can na etumi aboama Ghana ani aye ni gi aye krabehwe
me da se boss say obai me de nyoma mienu na sorry so the edikan would be and the conversation would be say Bestin Katah the perfect beginning nyom no January ne launch into on YouTube and on me nyoma me de be sorry no
in fact nyamisham one thing is ye mienu yet ye ho ase to the point that Kibian can buy and mean in on common. But the American was almost named P. Yeah. And see, said Nemeti Hampa on the kind of say, I little in Yanko Black on an Okam. Inti Yamisha was almost more anano in such a very beautiful way like this. Nice. I'm sure.
The perfect beginning. What are they about her? It is I won't say, Messa Bona what the Intia Maker no. Is on YouTube. Bestin Katah the perfect beginning. Now, Brame Yvonne picture back could be in some fan chatwa. When you say me, I'm not doing. For you, sorry.
And on this day, I remember a very, very, very great ADBC. This was Ghana Medical Association week. Okay. So I had the privilege to come and then make them happy. Okay. I didn't go as a master of ceremony because I'm saying why can't I MC? I think it was PUBG. Okay. Yes. 007, yes. Much love to you, Nathaniel Mensah of Love FM as well, watching us live. And PUBG and AMC na me comedy. Me atopana Ebenezer Jomo. And na baby Amel Kiteno. Na me suro ferry say as a alcohol. Yes. And me you know all these great men were upstanding clapping their hands for me and in fact it was one of my best days because I had my godfather also there, Dr. Kwesiba Fujima also present. It was a day to his birthday, yes. And this was a great picture and I posted it. Yes. Oh.
My general manager at the mommy.
Caption, no crack.
I'm found one of our own.
Wait, Mr. William, my
fan so Benjamin.
Hey, but I the toss on your friend saying. Obana, the year why you jarry.
Yvonne,
Yvonne,
DJ,
Yvonne,
what's up, DJ count?
What's up on you?
That's our bonum.
Yvonne, multi talented Yamisha,
Yvonne, it's society.
Yamisha Melky, and Penny Four, Omodo door. Ene akomapa e kan yen fam omo e ma yenso ye kra pressure say yeso ye hu yenuanom nketo omo ba say de omo ye yen sa na wo se de no omo tena nti mesre ewiase ya amaje hwe so wo feel say wako anim to bro bibia so da bi ra nti
chairman e come on Katah Easter Monday Floor Event Center Hojo
Nyamisha Labi Phones, Abia Pharmacy, Nyamisha KS Transport, Perfect Perfect Point Print, Perfect Prints, yes, and Sports Center. Nyamisha Mr. P Wise, Nyamisha Leo Restaurant, Nyamisha Unique Fails, God Bless You Bear Hat, Nyamisha Jeans Ra, and Shawarma King, and Exceed Mark, and so Boame Pan Exceed Mark. Exceed Mark, what do you say? My worry, me worry. Man through bia say me bia bia hwe Exceed Mark the engineer bia
the live pa no hey so one plan idea ma backman
oh you super
backman the live pa so one idea
ma me shano see nya akonya se ya na wo se ye bo bia ba so obi a oboa ma last year eye kra behwe ye da wo nyina so ase ye nya akonya na wo se yetimi da wo ma
nice one chairman Ekoma Katah Easter Monday Floor Event Center Hojo Rich Condos echi honom na dwumadi ne baso 2 p.m. ni ashase till late oba na se become the wa men ha ho nyina ba bi ni fa oyem kom ne bra it sounds that there is food, there is water, there is drinks spring lake ruba ne bi na ho enti no ntonsuo bi amundrane enti cocktail na abeke ka fra ensa adane e kra na
so timi ko kan problem kire ne bi am yere ha me me say me yere bom ya makoka is mpacho me yere bom enti no be mix ya ma enti e basa o yere ntimi emfa ne nsanka obi
de boy yan ware ye kra nso no se ukunya bi na nkomo no asa oni di wa yere no kan ne ho se boa o se
kunya ware sa o ntimi ye ko to ma se brako me yan ko fie se nya ne yan ko ne
but it's very
ade o se anonom de ma nkomo ye de
pa west no waka but emfa be no ko mu a wo se
no ba di nkomo a e che ansa na oba na te ase bia no that means one onfa oba ne ntena baby papa baby won my do kwatena wa won't mean ka de what ma say me ko Dubai ana me hu se baby say obi fa girlfriend ni ko Dubai now $300 afa send o girl so ne boy ne fa kwache enije wo ho
oba kro nto perfume bro
oyo di ni bi mfa mro nti sanity o se utimi sa so pe anonom dia be ma oba no nkomo no ayede me yire me hia no foforo no me di kokom pampa ana edidi nkomo ni na nti me ye kokom ana se ono so na asini die mabura aduane o se mira na be me ho ade anche ne fai nti e bia wo de betima cocktail o de betima ye entuom kakra numbi na nipa me di chebi me da asimi
untimi nye kokom pampa na Floor Event Center fa bra joada o de fa ne bra kache de se o ba na kra watua ma one no 1000 ya jo 1000 zo boa we ma na ko food joint ajiwe yes sorted collect
this year so dey ye na pa o ye na wa chile o this year dey mesre oba feel simple feel at ease na bibia ntimi nya kama na ye chile heavy.
Thank you for coming, Godfather.
Mira hey, o friend me Godfather there.
Oh, the modu. So na okay, was 2016 they make a man ko ba say tifo what kind tifo for 2016 way back go. Now ready cram mo.
The black. But I feel I treated you well on that day.
I tell you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, now okay say mimi hu no. Oh, the way intro no. Mama na nkasa ba mani hu say o minim chairman yo na mi share nti o de na de so ye intro na hu na wi and here we are e ba to de waso ye mu say no say de okura mi pin mu no so kura o pin mu so it's a small word that you all go.
Nyame show mu nyina.
Ami thank you for coming.